Today is the 7th of March and I'm taking a look at the pound Australian dollar on a monthly time frame using Serene Education's FX Ultimate 4 strategy. Here we can see by the matrix box it is primarily red and prices trading below the 200-day moving average on all time frames except for the monthly. You can see that I've already drawn in a previous support and resistance level. You can see that price has been channeling to the underside of this, using it as a resistance, and has now been using that same price level as a support. However, the current monthly candle is trading lower than the previous month's close, below the moving averages. We've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is below, and dark, showing a potential slowdown in momentum of downside movements as it starts to use that level as a support. What I'm going to do is put in a support and resistance level at that monthly low, where we saw price ranging between those two levels, and we know that we've got quite a nice trading opportunity potentially between these two. We drop down now onto a weekly. Now we've seen price ranging along that support level from the monthly. We've got a red arrow, red candle, RMO is below, SMA is just below, and dark, so we don't have the momentum coming through, and we can see that price has been going sideways for weeks now. But the weekly candle in itself is trading lower than the previous week's close, so let's hope we get that momentum of that break that we've been waiting for. Dropping now down onto the daily time frame, there we saw that pullback, and now we're getting a bit of a continuation with price using the 20-day moving average as a resistance. This was a trade that we were looking at yesterday. We were looking for a break and close lower than that previous daily candle. We've got that, and price has been trading lower since then as well. So those who got that trade yesterday, well done. So looking at it now, we don't have much in terms of pips between where price is trading at now and that major support level, 46 pips, potentially an intraday opportunity. But daily traders are now going to be waiting for that daily close lower than 1.6016, and then those continuations to the downside. We've got quite a nice target there, so it's best to be patient in this case and make sure that our SMA is below and bright, giving us that momentum coming through on this time frame. We will drop down now onto the 4-hourly time frame. If you recall yesterday from our analysis, what we were doing was waiting for a break below this level over here. We had a red arrow, red candle, RMO was below, SMA was below and bright. The strategy set up, that was the entry point, and then we were targeting those daily lows here. So it hasn't quite hit it yet, but we have certainly seen a movement from that breakout candle to where price is trading at the moment is around about 90 pips. If you haven't gotten into this trade yet, you know, as we said, there's 40 pips left in it. It's completely up to you. I'm going to be patient with this one, wait for a nice break of that major support level, and then there will be really nice trades to the downside.